hope you enjoy the video. Please do like, comment, share with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel because I'm coming up with some more content very soon.